I don't want to. Huh? Remove. Usually after make the juice we cannot keep longer also. Immediately have to drink. But today they okay. So today also we want to explain some kind of pronouns. Last time we explained the few of pronouns, but today we have to continue. Relative, personal. Okay, who, whom, whose, which. Masculine, according to three gender: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Can understand, no? Yeah, means which, who. Yeah means which, who. But which, who. But according to English, we can say only this way. But according to our own language, they have the different means. Yeah. yeah. Yeah, usually the Chinese, according to English, they, yes, yeah. Okay. Nominative case. Yo, ye. Plural. Okay. Yo dhammam passati, so buddham passati. He, who is again? He who sees the Dhamma sees the Buddha. This means who can see the Lord Buddha's teaching, because of that he can see the Buddha. Understand? But according to one of the sutta explained, Yo dhammang passati, so mang passati. The Lord Buddha mentioned to the Arahat Bante Vakkali, one of the bhikkhus Vakkali. He is always following the behind of the Buddha. He is only looking Lord Buddha's the face and the body shining, all are things. But he don't want to practice meditation, don't want to do other things, just only looking Buddha. Then one day Lord Buddha asked, this body is not the real thing. You have to see inside the body, which kind of organ inside, which kind of part inside. And you have to see the inside the Dhamma. This is important. Yo dhammang passati. Who seen the Dhamma, so mam passati, he can see me. Because of that, nowadays also but our Lord Buddha already passed away. Now last 2,500 years old already. But now no anymore Buddha again coming during this period. But we never ever seen Lord Buddha in this our very life, this life, in the present life. But if someone want to see the Buddha, but we can see the image or statue something, but this is only the thing, no? The nimitta, only thing of the Buddha, image which but shine. But it is also not enough to establish our faith. Not enough, because different traditional, different Buddha statue. The Myanmar different traditional, Thailand also different, Sri Lanka also different way. Because after seeing some Buddha statue, not so the good happy feeling also. Because some Buddhas are very, I cannot say ugly, but cannot get the good the happy feeling after seeing the Buddha statue. This way, that's why Lord Buddha mentioned, or Lord Buddha taught to us, if someone want to see the Buddha, want to see the me, you should practice Dhamma. Because of the practice Dhamma, we can see the Buddha. Understand? This is the main point. Then Arhat, after that the Bante Vakkali, okay. Then he just start to practice meditation. Then later he got Arahatship. Okay, there's a plural, this plural sentence. Can understand, no? Oh, sorry. They who see the Buddha, see the Dhamma, see the Buddha. Okay. The accusative, yang, ye. Okay, this place they have a small mistake. We have to change. Ahang yang bhasami so it's better. Ahang yang bhasami tang acharyo hoti. Tang. Ahang yang bhasami tang acharyang hoti. So you can acharyang hoti. This is accusative because ahang I talk to someone. To whom? Somebody. He is a teacher. Ahang yang bhasami so acharya this is correct, but ahang yang ahang yang bhasami so acharyang hoti so can. Okay, but only the ahang yang we have to change. Yeah, ahang is the so acharyang hoti. Okay. Same way, second also. Ahang ye bhasami te acharye honti. Very difficult to understand English meaning, no? Okay. Next. Yena yebi yehi. Tatiya karanano. Yena yebi yehi. Here also the accusative, instrumental. Sticker, instrumental. Yena yebi yehi. Yena maggena charami so anugachisati. Yena maggena charami. Yena maggena by the path which, or by the which path. Which kind of path I use to go somewhere? Which kind of path? Which kind of way? Charami means walk. Actually now here we cannot see the subject. Yena maggena charami. Because of charami. Because of charami, we know the I. We no need to put I, but we have to take the meaning. Okay? Charami. Because of charami, we know that. Ahang yena maggena charami. I walk by the path which, or which path? So means somebody, someone. Anugachisati will follow. Now, gacchasati meaning? Gacchati, go. Gacchati, go. Gachisati will go. But anugacchati, follow. This is example. Anugacchati means behind, somebody coming. Example now, the sutta mentioned, when our Lord Buddha was going to alms round, at that time, all the time, one of the monk stay behind. This means he is following the Buddha. Anugacchati. Okay? Anugacchati. Anugacchati is follow. Same with the plural. Okay. Next, Chatutti. Yassa yesang yesanang. Singular. Okay, here also have to change little bit. Twang. Twang yassa vani jassa bhasasi so. Because one merchant, no? One merchant, no? So viharam gacchati. Twang yassa vani jassa bhasasi so viharam gacchati. The yasavani jasatwang, this also can not this also right, but it's better to still we are in the kindergarten. Because of that, twang yasavani jasabhasati so viharam gacchati. You speak to the merchant to whom he goes to the monastery. Like this. This is someone speak to someone. Actually, he is going to the monastery. Here the only one S. Ye sang, only one S. Panchami, ablative. Yamha, yasma, yebi, yehi. Yamha rukkamha, from which tree? Kapi oruhati, the monkey climbs down. Oruhati, no? Ahi aruhati. This means Ahi, the serpent, climb up to that tree, no? Like that tree, no? Okay. Okay, coming. Okay, next. Chatti. Yassa yesang yesanang. Yassa which. Who, which, whose, of which. Yassa putto vejjo hoti so dhamman sunati. That's correct. Yesanang putta vejja honti te dhamman sunanti. Okay. Nibbanasa Pachayo Hotu Sadhu Sadhu Sukhi Hotu Nibbana Pachayo Sukhi Hotu Nibbana Pachayo Sukhi Hotu Nibbana Pachayo Sukhi Hotu Nibbana Pachayo Sukhi Hotu Sadhu, very good. It's okay. No, it's okay, no problem. You want to stay here? You want to stay here? Why? You want to join us? No, 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 no. Okay, write down. Okay, already. This way I can use, no? Oh, okay, but I'm going to Myanmar. Okay, after Myanmar I can get. No, it's okay, no need to see. Okay. Huh? Huh? No, he want to joke with us. His character like this. He want to joke with me. In front of you want close eye. He want to take the all intention. He want to attention to him. But everything already very smart. He's smart. It's okay. Continue with the class. Okay. Okay, no? Not it. Can understand, no? But after when we are going to read the longest sentence, at that I can understand what is the meaning. No need to think too much, just enough to know the meaning. Locative. Yamhi yasmin Yesu. Yamhi manchami ahang sayami naro pitakang tapeti. This means I am using some bed to sleep, but someone already put something on my bed to make disturb, no? Okay. Summary. Please recite. Okay. Feminine, no? Just follow. Yasang. Yasana. Feminine, the neuter. Same, quite similar to the masculine. Recite. Okay, good. Adjectives which similar here. Okay, the similar sabba, pubba, itara, anyatara, anya, upara, apara, katara, katama, ubhaya, para, ka. Now the similar pronouns, the sabba, all, like this, pubba, itara, anyatara, anya, apara, katara, katama, ubhaya, para, ka. Okay. Now just follow sabbo, sabbe, sabbang, sabbi, like buddho, buddha, but don't have the nominative and accusative plural both same. Sabbe, sabbe. By calling masuni purisa, purise, no. But now here sabbe, sabbe. Yeah? This is the important thing, important place. Sabbe, sabbe, both same. Usually now example, no? In the Metta Sutta say sabba satta, we call sabba satta bhavanta sukhitatta, no? Actually here sabbe satta. Okay, this sabbe satta. Sabbe means nominative plural. Satta is a nominative plural. Satta means beings. Sabbe, all beings. According to Sri Lankan chanting book, we use sabbe satta. Bhavantu sukhi tatta. We use sabbe satta. According to Myanmar chanting book and in the Chatta Sangha, almost they use sabba satta. This means that if we are going to write this, become two words. Sabbe one word, satta. But the sabba satta means joined word. Sabba satta. Why? This is a decline or a decline, no? But the step sound sabba This is in the PowerPoint. Sub is stem sound. Now they take only stem sound with the satta. Together join sabba satta. Understand? But same meaning. Sabbe satta or sabba satta, same meaning. The another thing now when we are sharing merit, mama punya bhaga sabba sattana sabbe sango sabbe sa na sabbe sang sattanang or sabbe sanang sattana. Okay, sabbe sang sattanang or sabbe sanang sattana. We use but sabba sattana. What is the stem sound here? Sab. Here also sab. They join. Sabba sattana. To the all the beings. Understand? This is a little bit because if you use the sabbe sang satan, quite long, no? Long because they want to make the short. That is sabba satana. But they all same meaning. No any different meaning. But only pronunciation different and the grammar different. Little bit same meaning. This one also dative plural, sattana also dative plural. Sabbe sang sattana. This is a very easy to get the meaning. Because word by word we can catch the meaning. But after that then sabba sattana. This means this ana. This is suffix. Suffix, no? This suffix join to here also here. They put together meaning this steps the suffix they have the meaning to the for the two nouns. We have to give the meaning. Sabba sat, that's why to all beings. To all beings. To all and two beings, like to all. Two beings. To all, two beings. But we have to join to all beings. Understand? Okay, this way you have to understand. Example, this one same, no? Ko, ke, kang, ke, kena, ke, bike. Kassa, kassa, kesang, kesanang, kamha, kasma, kebi, kehi. Kassa, kesang, kesanang, kamhi, kasming, kesu. Okay? Yeah, which, who practice. Okay, the few examples. Yo nagarang gacchati so bhupating passisati. Who is going to the city, so he will see the king. He who goes to the city will see the king. We can say, who goes to the city, he will see the king. Also can, but Hmm. Oh, the it's better we have to add the another simple the verb here. Ahang ratang have means how you say have Pali atti means have tang atti is have but bhavishyati also we can say to have also can bhavishyati can usually the ahang ratang bhavami but I have a vehicle is the some ahang ratam bhavami means the like the some we can make like the ahang maihang ratang atti maihang ratang atti maihang ratang atti I have a vehicle can say maihang means mine no the maihang ratang atti I have a vehicle we can say the meaning like this we can get maihang ratang atti maihang ratang atti I have something no? Maihang ratang atti yena nagarang gacchami by which way I go to the city like by which way I have the vehicle which kind of way I can I use to go to the city like this thing huh? Ye sam. The one is enough. It's okay. Yamha purisamma ahang maning ganhami ahang passami. I take gem from someone and I see. Yes, correct. Sorry. Here the plural, hasanti in hasanti. Okay, hasanti. It's better don't write this one because later we can make the proper sentence. They can erase, delete. Okay, sabbe sang nattaro panyavanto na bhavanti. Everyone's grandsons are not wise. It's correct, no? It's correct? But nowadays everybody wise, no? Because they have to hardly study. They start from the kindergarten, maybe when they was the maybe 3 years, 2 plus, 3 plus, start to go to school, no? 2 plus. Start to go to school. Nadiya Vapiyacha Antara, between the river and tank. Who is carrying the cow? Denu means cow. Can understand, no? Anya kanya padumang adaya. Having taken another maiden, gave it to the former lady. Pubbassa. And this is Pubbassa. Pubbassa is Chatutti, no? Pubbassa? What does it mean, Pubbassa? Pubbassa Yassa. Pubbassa. Pubbassa is a masculine. Pubbassa feminine, no? Pubbassa. This Chatutti, no? Who is receiver? Pubba, pubbayo. Pubbang, pubbayo. Pubbaya, pubbavi, pubbahi. Pubbassa, pubbaya, pubbasang, pubbasana. Pubbassa the Chatutti. Chatutti, no? Chatutti, plural. Correct? Okay? Okay, Pali. Today a little bit difficult and different thing. So long. Wow, 2 pages. The Buddha's daily routine, but we not yet complete also. We know enough, quite long. This one we took from the commentary. The Digha Nikaya commentary. The Buddha's daily routine. The Buddha's daily routine, how to say Pali? Buddha's dinacharya. Dinacharya. I forget to put. Buddha's dinacharya. Dinacharya. D-I-N-A, Dina. Charya, C-A-R-I-Y-A. Charya, but Y-A long, huh? Y-A long, Charya. Okay? Long. Buddhassa of the Buddha. Dina, daily. Charya, routine. Daily routine. Okay, please read first. Bhagavato. Sarira parikamma. No. See, everything we know. All our words we know. But because they make the loan, but we have to cut. Then okay. Example, pure battanti. Pure means before, earlier. Batta meaning, this is cooked rice. The meal, the food, the before meal. Pure battanti before meal. This means forenoon. Pure batta means forenoon. Usually in the Buddha's time they used the batta is a middle. Batta always is batta kala, the time of the meal. This means the lunch time, they say lunch time. Before lunch, forenoon. After lunch, afternoon. Pure batta meaning forenoon. Pacha batta, afternoon. Pura means in front of. Pacha, behind. Diva is a day. Diva is a day. Okay, now see. Pure battanti. What is the mean? Usually, pure battang iti. This is a pure battang iti. Iti means pure batta is. Iti means is. The verb. Pure batta is. Forenoon is. Forenoon is. Diva bhatta to. Diva means day. Bhatta means lunch. This means before. Sorry. Diva bhatta to. Diva is a day. Bhatta to meal. This means the lunch. The day, when we eat something in the daytime, we can say lunch time. Pure kalang. Pure means before. Kalang, time. This is forenoon is the time before lunch. Forenoon is the time before lunch. Pure battanti diva bhattato pure kalang. Kala means time. Kala means time. Pure meaning before time. Before time. Before time is diva bhattato, before the lunch time. Forenoon is the before the lunch time. Now check. First you try to see the word by word means. Pure is before. Simple word we can. Simple. Batta means meal. Before meal. Before meal means forenoon. One word. Forenoon. Okay. Now pure battang iti. Because we also have many time, no? Breakfast time, lunch time, evening time, tea time, supper, talking time, wandering time, dreaming time, sleeping time. Okay. Now, usually diva means day, by the day, diva. Diva is a day, but diva batta to. The batta means cook rice. Batta means cook rice. We eat the cooked rice in the day. This is lunch. Yeah, the lunch. Because nowadays we have the English different. Different time, different word. But Buddha's time we use diva bhattato. Diva is when we take in our lunch, the daytime, the second meal, we call, by English, we call lunch. That's why we call before lunch. Huh? Okay. Pacha battang. Pacha means after. After. Battang, after meal. This is afternoon. Afternoon. But because nowadays we use afternoon, no? We use after meals we can say. But the very common afternoon. Afternoon. Diva battato pacha kala. That is the time after lunch. This means, you see the middle. Middle is at 12 o'clock. Before 12, after 12. Like this. Before 12, after 12. Yeah, before noon, after noon. Before noon. Before noon, the forenoon, no? English. Okay. Understand? Try to get the meaning. Try to get. Huh? You, diva means in the day. Batta means cook rice. Cook rice in the day means lunch. Lunchtime. Okay? Diva battato means the lunch moment, lunchtime. Usually the morning breakfast. Noon lunch, not afternoon. Noon lunch. Yeah. Afternoon, no lunch for the monk. In the noon, on the noon. Okay. Even at night, dinner. So this is because diva is a morning. The morning means the before noon, the day. Okay, in the day. That's why we call usually noon time we call diva batta. Diva batta noon time. But if you the separate meaning, diva is a day, batta means cook rice. After combine those become noon time, lunch time. Okay. Kala is a time, huh? Pacha is after. Okay. Huh? Okay. Purimang yamanti rattiya patama kottasang. Purimang yamang. Purim is earlier. Yama is what is yama? A watch of the night. 1/3 of the night. Yama. Yama is because 3 yama. Yeah. No, this is yama means 1/3 of the night, of a night. Yeah, don't care. Any of the we can say yama. Now usually we can the first part of the night, middle of the night, last of the night. Can this is yama. Now the in the sutta, because every sutta, some sutta we can see the patamang yamang, majjimang yamang, middle part, pachimang yamang. Now when our Lord Buddha got the enlightenment moment, They say Patamang Yama, he got the first knowledge. First knowledge. What is the checking the past life, past life. Pubbe Nivasa Nusati Jnana. In the Majjimang Yama, in the middle of the night, but this is the Dibba Chakku, divine knowledge, divine. Yeah. And Pachimang Yama, Asavakkayan, or destroy the taints, destroy all taints, and got the omniscient knowledge, Sabbanyutta Jnana. That's why the Patamang Yama, Majjimang Yama, Pachimang Yama. Because Yama is 1/3 of a night. Okay? These are new words. Because very useful for when we are going to read the Samsutta, very useful. Rati is a night. Kottas is a portion, part. Majjim is a medium. Okay, now you see. Purimang Yamang Ti Rattiya Patama Kottasang. Purimang Yamang. The first okay. Purimang Yamang. The earlier watch of the night is Rattiya Patama Kottasang. The first part of the night. The first part of the night is the earlier watch of the night. Okay, you can add your normal English. 1/3 of a night. 1/3 of night. Or first part of the night. Huh? Yeah. Usually the midnight, we can say 2/3 of the night, can? Now the Majjimang Yamanti Rattiya Dutiya Kottasang. The second part of the night, Rattiya Dutiya Kottasang. Dutiya Kottasang means second. Kottasang part. The Rattiya in the night of the night. The second part of the night is Majjimang Yama, the middle watch of the night. Okay? Pachimang Yamanti Rattiya Tatiya Kottasang. Rattiya of the night, Tatiya, third, Kottasang part. The third part of the night is Pachimang Yama, last watch of the night. This meaning 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. First, 1/3 of the night. 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. middle. 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. last. Okay, this is a divide. This means in the daytime, Lord Buddha divided 2. Purebatta, Pacchabatta, before noon, forenoon and afternoon. 6 Yeah, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. First watch. 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Second watch. 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Third or last watch. Okay. This way, the daytime, Lord Buddha divide 2 parts. The night divide 3 parts. All way 5. The day, Lord Buddha divide to 5 way. Okay. Now start headache last day, no? This means next time no any more member to study Pali. No, now last day, today last day, we now is going to get the headache. Now I start to get headache. Because of that, if I going to arrange the next part of the Pali, no any member. No any student. Yeah. But anyway, next time we can arrange the part first also. Yeah, review. And first part we review and take some small sutta or simple sutta, something there. But at that time we use the different title. We not use the Pali course. Sutta study. Okay, next time we use the different title. At that time more people come. Want to continue or you Okay. The Bhagavato Kiccan Nama Panchavidam. Now, Kicca means duty. Duty of the Buddha is Panchavida, 5 way. Vida means kind. 5 kind of duty of the Buddha. Panchavida means, Pancha means 5. Vida means kind. This is 5 kind. The Buddha's duty is 5 kinds. This is 5 kinds of duty of the Buddha. Yeah. Pure batta kiccang, pacha batta kiccang, purimayama kiccang, majjimayama kiccang, pachimayama kiccang. Very simple. Forenoon duty, afternoon duty, duty of the first watch of the night, duty of the middle watch of the night, duty of the last watch of the night. Only kicca, no? Kicca, only new words, only kicca. Brother can understand, no? Can get the meaning. Slowly by slowly. Try to get the Pali meaning. Okay. Hmm? Very little. 1 and 20. No. 1 and 2. 1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 and 2. Eh? No. During the daytime after lunch, just little bit lie down like us, no. Rest little, maybe few minutes, just only lie down. The daytime, not sleep. But in the early morning, after 2 a.m., just start to walking. Start to walk 1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 and 20 minutes to walk. After lie down, sleep. Then after again start to meditate. Meditate means checking the people's mind to do the activity in the daytime. Early is preparing. This means the Maha Karuna Samapatti. Maha Karuna, great compassion. At that time, Lord Buddha didn't check us, no? Maybe at that time we stand on the tree, shaking the branches of the tree. Maybe we are waiting on the way to make disturb to the Buddha, and yeah. Sometimes we stay in the another in the woeful place. No, the 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. The midnight. Deva and Brahma come down. At that no any bhikkhus around the Lord Buddha. The Buddha already alone is in the Lord Buddha's kuti. Because of us. Okay. Tatta idang pure batta kiccang. This is a pure batta kicca. Now we are going to explain the duty of the pure batta kicca. Tatta is there is the case. Now, idam means this. Pure batta kiccang. The duty of the forenoon. Bhagava patova utthaya. Is it the Bhagava, the Lord Buddha? Patova in the morning. Patova in the morning. Utthaya having wake up. Having wake up. Mukha means face. Dovana wash. Adi, etc. Because not only face the wash, not only the wash the face, no. We have to brush the teeth. Want to do other activity, no. Adi means etc. So onso. Sarira parikamma. This means the preparing of the body's other activity. Now they mention only the mukha dovana was the pace, but we have to do other thing. Usually after wake up we have to do many things, no? To make wash up our body. Katva having done. You see the meaning. so on. But little bit the word by word means according dictionary. Huh? But when you are using the give the whole sentence, I mean little bit, we can. Okay. Mouth, face. Sarira. Sarira, the body. Kaya is a body. Sarira. Huh? Same meaning. Kaya, sarira, both same meaning. You want to get the Deva body? No? Oh, jam to eat, can eat. Oh yes, many people can eat human meat also. Some people like to eat. Jam. This is one kind of the gam. Okay, next time. Okay. I cannot talk after that. Okay. The duty in the forenoon, having risen early in the morning and having make arrangement to wash up the body, such as washing face and so on. Want to continue or want to stop? Because they have some extra, but we already put in the PowerPoint. You can get there from internet website, you can download. It's okay. Okay, today we have to share merits for everybody, especially for Sister Failing also. She's very hard working for us. Especially, I am free. I just only checking. She's doing all. May sister will be and maybe happy and healthy and living longer, and to practice meditation diligently Sister May free from all suffering and to get Nibbana in this life. And all of Sukhi hota Nibbana Pacha, Sukhi hota Nibbana Pacha, Sukhi hota. And all of you also well and happy all the time, be healthy, and to try to get the successful Pali knowledge all the time, try to by heart, try to get the pure Lord Buddha's teaching, and everybody may free from all suffering and to get Nibbana. So, okay? Okay, sadhu, sadhu.